NFTs. Full guide to finding the next 100 times 100. PlayStation 5, Razer's Black Shark V2, and a lifetime supply of peanut butter pretzels. Apologies to those allergic or not fans of peanut butter. What's common about these three mentioned things? A good time? Quite close. The answer is money. Yes, money. To purchase any of these things, you need money. Financial advisors here and there keep emphasizing the need to be financially buoyant, and in real life, it makes sense. After all, money is the only way you get to own anything. The 21st century has blessed us with many ways of making cool cash. In contrast to the traditional ways of earning money by rendering a service or physically working our butt off, now you can earn money simply through a unique eye. Cryptocurrency and blockchain have shown us that we don't need someone controlling our finances to make it. Then there is the next big thing, NFTs. With NFTs, you can earn not only 10 times, but 50 times and even 100 times the money invested. How to do this? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to this video. We will look into the guide to finding the next NFTs to enable you to gain 100 times in return. To do this, we need to look into the types of NFTs that can potentially lead to 100 times, then the basics of investing in NFTs, plus where to find these NFTs. We will also look into how to research these projects and assess the value potential of the NFTs. Then lastly, we will analyze the trading metrics of NFTs. It's going to be a long ride, so grab your peanut butter pretzels or an alternative you can afford and join me as I analyze the guide to finding the next 100 times NFTs. A brief overview of NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are cryptographic tokens that are generated via a blockchain. In simple terms, they work in the same way as cryptocurrency. The only difference is that, unlike fungible tokens like crypto, NFTs are irreplaceable and unique tokens, making them non-fungible. By the way, if you are new to the cryptocurrency concept, check out the video on the crypto guide for beginners in the description link. Each NFT is known to have metadata and a unique identification code, which makes it not replicable. You could say anything rare, different, and needs provable ownership can be used as an NFT. NFTs use the same blockchain technology as cryptocurrency, though NFTs were created a bit later. Interestingly, the first NFT project, Ethereum, was launched in 2015, only 3 months after the launching of Ethereum, one of the most popular cryptos out there. NFT's creation via the blockchain technology is a great advantage due to the following reasons. There is verifiable ownership, so counterfeits can't exist. The transactions can be tracked, so it's safe and secured. The project's storage is secured, plus the transaction cost is low. NFTs can interact with other assets through programming. Like cryptocurrency, NFTs are divisible. You can have a fraction of an NFT. Things considered as NFTs. Now, what are the things that can be considered NFTs? The answer is anything and everything that is deemed worthy of being called an NFT. But for the sake of this video, here are some things you could consider as NFTs. Arts. As of now, they are the major types of NFTs out there. Not only are they easily accessible, but they are also highly appreciated. One of the most expensive art NFTs is the First 5,000 Days artwork by Beeple, which was sold for a staggering $69.3 million. Collectibles like Bored Ape Yacht Club (BAYC) arts, baseball cards, Cat Colony, and CryptoPunks are some of the most popular as NFTs. BAYC arts are the most sought-after and popular NFT collectibles at the moment. Viral clips of memorable moments in sports, like the viral clip of LeBron James dunking the ball in the Throwdown series, which has been sold for a whopping $380,000. The game's equipment and characters, like Gods Unchained, Sorare, and CryptoKitties. Viral memes including Success Kid, Bad Luck Brian, Neon Cat, and Disaster Girl are also NFTs. It would interest you to know that the Disaster Girl meme has been sold for a massive sum of $470,000. Domain names like payment addresses and URLs can also be used as NFTs, though they aren't yet a thing. Music, as artists can sell a part of their music as NFTs. Did you know the King of Leon, a popular late 90s rock band, released their While You See Yourself album in 2021 and sold them as multiple NFTs before their release? High-end brands like Gucci, Burberry, and Louis Vuitton now issue their own NFTs. Even decentralized finance, DeFi, now collaborates with NFTs. Events tickets are also sold as NFTs, where investors can buy them as collectibles and resell them for the event. Real-life assets like precious metals, real estate, and antiques can also be considered NFTs. Random items, for example, Jack Dorsey's first tweet in 2021, sold for a staggering $2.9 million as an NFT. Basics of investing in NFTs. Before buying and investing in NFTs, you need to know and understand the basics. They include having the necessary crypto knowledge. Before diving into NFTs investments, it's advisable to have a detailed understanding of cryptocurrency. You must understand wallets, private and public keys, addresses, and how transactions operate. It's also advised to have experience in buying, holding, and selling cryptocurrencies. Even if it's just once or a few times, being a crypto investor will be beneficial when investing in NFTs. Only invest what you can afford to lose. It's the basic rule in every type of investment. Do not chase your losses. There are several NFTs out there. If you don't make it with one, don't sweat it. There are others. Don't chase the highs when it comes to established NFTs. It's best to wait for a correction. Keep learning. The wise do say that the one who asks never misses their way. So ask questions and learn more. Take a break when NFTs start eating into your relaxation time. Investing in any kind of project can be quite stressful, so do take occasional breaks to recharge, and occasionally missing out on the action won't do any damage. One crucial thing to note about investing in NFTs is this. NFTs projects are at the early stage, so those that will be successful are few. Most will fail, so having that at the back of your mind is key to a successful investment. It's best to set realistic profit targets and sell when the profit is obvious. Another pro tip is that you shouldn't play the diamonds game. It is quite risky. Where to find 100 times NFTs? While many things are considered NFTs, specific platforms still generate and sell these NFTs. You can check them out to know what they are about and get the market feel. Plus, it could give you ideas on what could be your next investment. You can find NFTs on websites focused on new NFT projects. Such websites are rarity.tools, mintyscore.com, cryptoscores.io, and nftgo.io. You also find NFTs in NFT marketplaces like rarible.com and OpenSea.io, the biggest and most popular NFT marketplace. Researching NFTs projects. Once certain NFTs catch your attention, the next step is to research their NFT projects. Things to research include the founders. The people behind an NFT project play a vital role in its credibility and how valuable an NFT is, as their knowledge, skills, and credibility in the market influence how well the project would be received. When researching the founders, it's best to ask questions like, what are their backgrounds? What experience do they have in crypto? Are they newbies or already have successful NFT projects? Do they have a good track record? Some things you would research also depend on the NFT. For instance, when it comes to art NFTs, you would need the founders to have unique artistic skills plus a vast understanding of the cryptoverse. You can find answers to these questions on the NFT project's social media platforms, websites, and press releases. The roadmap. Every NFT project must have a roadmap, which is the information that details the happenings of the project so far and its future plans. When researching a project's roadmap, you should focus on how many goals or milestones has the project achieved? It shows how fast the project is growing. What other developments and things is the project after? It shows growth potential. Are they realistic with their goals? When will they be implemented? Marketing. Marketing is crucial for any investment, including NFT projects. Without marketing, the project will probably only be known to the founders and end up as caches on their computers. For instance, the GameFi crypto project is failing due to a lack of marketing. People don't play the game, so its NFTs are not valuable. When researching the marketing of an NFT project, seek answers to these questions. How do the creators promote the NFTs? What marketing channels do they use? How many followers do the channels have? Is the user engagement high? Is the marketing copy professional? Do the founders address the community and regard its expectations? Do the projects have strong brands or partners backing them up? Research more. No one ever goes wrong with more research. The more in-depth your research, the more information and details you would uncover about your targeted NFT project. This way, you can know if it's right or wrong for you. How to assess the value potential of NFTs. The value potential of NFTs varies, and this is due to certain factors. Understanding these factors will help you assess the value potential of a targeted NFT and then help you decide if it's worth investing. These factors are rarity. NFT projects thrive on how unique and rare their collections are, and you could say this is the most important factor in the value potential of an NFT. The unique features of the NFT, which make it irreplaceable, and how many of such NFTs are minted determine an NFT collection's rarity. The higher the rarity value of an NFT, the more valuable it is and definitely worth investing in. You can use rarityranks.io, rarity.tools, and raritysniper.com to check out the rarity level of some NFTs. OpenSea can also be used to check out the number of NFTs with the same features in a collection. Utility. The usage of an NFT influences its value, though it's highly dependent on the NFT type. For instance, when it comes to art, the value is quite subjective as it depends on the artist's reputation and style. Gaming NFTs are usually in-game items you can use to level up in the game. Music NFTs allow you to have ownership of a particular song and earn from it. Sports NFTs include collectibles and even VIP access for certain matches. How well the NFT usage resonates with people can influence its worth. Hype. You are probably wondering how you can assess that. The hype is simply how well-talked a project is, that is, the buzz a project creates. High-value NFTs are usually discussed across most social media platforms. They trend all the time. An obvious example is the Bored Ape Yacht Club project. You probably have seen BAYC trending or a picture of an ape looking questionable. Those backing up the project. 2021 was definitely the year for NFTs, with several projects springing up and gaining success. In 2022, corporations, institutions, and celebrities are jumping on the NFT bandwagon. These celebrities and companies use their big names or brands to influence the value of the NFT project, while they make a ton of money in return. NFTs backed by reputable high-end brands are usually more valued, so you may need to keep an eye on such NFTs if you want to invest. Analysis of the trading metrics. Here we are, the last part of this video. However, it's equally as important as other aspects, analysis of the trading metrics. When you want to purchase NFTs whose ROI, return of investments, is 100 times, here are things you should consider. The floor price. This is the lowest price of a fraction of an NFT project. It's advisable to purchase an NFT almost at its floor price. You can check various NFTs prices at nftpricefloor.com. Transaction volume, market cap, and liquidity. These parameters will determine the demand for the NFT. The higher the number of these parameters, the more valuable the NFT. You should be cautious of pumps and dumps. That's a bad sign. Numbers versus holders of NFTs. This is similar to demand versus supply. A small number of NFTs versus many holders signifies great value. The otherwise is a sign of low demand, and selling can make the floor price drop. You can check the numbers versus holders ratio of an NFT on OpenSea. Now, you don't need to calculate all these parameters yourself. You can simply use websites like dune.xyz and nftgo.io to analyze the trading metrics of various NFTs. Dune.xyz allows users to create their trading metrics dashboards. At the same time, nftgo.io has a whale tracking page that helps analyze the whales investing in certain NFTs. And this concludes this video. I'm sure it must have been a long ride. Hopefully, it was an eye-opening one. So if NFTs are your next investment target, you can refer to this video on how to go about it to make that 100 times. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Did you enjoy the video?